Cappuccino MCT is a coffee with slimming properties. It is so-called bulletproof coffee, a beverage with the addition of healthy fat, allowing you to lose weight, decrease your appetite and improve cognitive functions. Cappuccino MCT is a product that gives the body a huge boost of energy, driving the metabolism and fat-burning process. The Cappuccino MCT food supplement is based on 8 ingredients, which naturally contribute to the loss of excess weight. The supplement accelerates the speed of burning calories, inhibits the process of fat storage, increases the feeling of being full and stimulates you to act. Cappuccino MCT is a coffee that fits in with the latest weight loss trends. The product boasts a high popularity.